On this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to create a Boomlive account. So the first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device in order to get the app if you don't have it on your device. So on your Play Store or App Store, go ahead and search for Boomplay. So you need to download the Boomplay app just like this and click on open in order to go to the app. So the next step you need to take is to click on the profile icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Looking here, you can see where it says log in or sign up. So you can easily click on that just like this and click on continue with email or continue with phone number. So here I'm going to click on the Google icon found at the bottom of the screen. So before that, you need to click on this option here in order to agree to their terms and conditions. Then go ahead and click on the Google icon because I want to continue using my Google account. So once you're done selecting the Gmail just like this, go ahead and click on agree and share. So once you do that, looking here, you can see that I've been able to create an account. So the next step you need to take here is to input your username. Let's say social informats, and then go ahead and select gender and select male. Click on save, and here I'm going to select 18 to 25 and click on done. So you can go ahead and click on edit profile like this. Tap on the profile icon and select the photo you want to use as your profile. I'm going to click on allow all and select a photo on my gallery. So I'm going to select this photo like this. Click on done. I'm going to select a photo as well for the background. So this is my account. Looking here, you can see that all my informations are filled in right here. You can go ahead and add a job if you have one and add a bio right here. So after adding all this, you've been able to create your Boomlive account. So the next step you can actually take if you want to go live on your Boomlive is to go back right here. At the bottom of your Boomplay app, you can see the live button right there. Go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, it's going to direct you to the Boomlive section. So this is your Boomlive, and these are the people that are actually stream live in right now. So right here on the screen, you can click on the live option just like this, the live button right there, and go live on your Boomlive account. So this is how simple it is to create an account on your Boomlive account. I'm going to make more tutorials concerning this Boom app, how to withdraw your money, how to make more money on this app. So if you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. And don't forget to like this video, it's really going to help. Alright guys, see you in my next video.